Hey guys, we are cruising in Taffy. Got Adam behind us on the KLX 250, and we're gonna head down to Noah's house from Yappin' and Cruising and do a little drive today. Not sure if I'm gonna stay in Taffy or possibly go for a drive in Noah's Miata. Not sure what'll happen, but it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try not to run into the Amish buggy. It's a little chilly today, and sadly all the cool leaves are now dead and fallen, but it's still gonna be a good day for a drive. So let's do this. And here I find myself in an NA Miata. Haha, this is gonna be fun. So currently Noah is on his 67 Yamaha YR1 two-stroke. Adam's still on the KLX 250. I'm in the NA Miata. Okay, still getting used to the still getting used to the very short throw shifter and the clutch and throttle response and everything in this. I love how it's like so connected to the road. It's just glued. It's like a go-kart. Alright, updated the camera angle for you. This should be a lot better. A little worse for me, as you can see, but alright, just switched riders on bikes. We also got headlights up, because you know the deal. Ooh, there's an air filter. The Miata is so cute. Had a little air cleaner mishap from the YR1, so the air cleaners are now in here, and we should be rolling again here. game going on. There, grace them with the awesomeness of bicycle, motorbikes, and Miata. Technically, all three vehicles here are Japanese, which is quite cool. Cool little section through the park. Second time I passed them and they didn't wave. Good grief. Nope. Pop up and down headlights. Oh yeah. You gotta love it, dude. Well, my life will not be complete till I own something with pop-up headlights. So crazy being able to accelerate in a turn and it just grips and goes. There we go, we got some turns here. This feels so good in the corners. Oh, he's running that two-stroke. Heck yeah, brother. For a small little four-cylinder, I think it's a 1.6 liter. I'm not entirely certain what the displacement is, but like, it's such a small and light car, it pulls. It runs great, dude. Miatas are so much fun. Like, you guys, I'm a firm believer in the Miata lifestyle. Stalled it. What an amateur. What an absolute noob. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah, brother. Covered bridge action. Oh yeah. Like, I'm surprised. It actually has a lot more, it's way more torquey than I expected. You think, you know, a small displacement 4-cylinder built for RPM doesn't redline till like 6,500. But it is, granted, it is a very light car, but it's a lot torquier than you'd expect it to be, if I'm wording that right. That was a super fun ride. Yeah, it was awesome getting to run the Miata. And we were back in Taffy. Obviously, we're sitting up higher. It's really slow. It can't take corners. And nice bump side forward. Heading home. So that was an awesome ride. That was an awesome ride. Huge shout out and thank you to Noah for letting me drive that. That was awesome. So